It's 4:29 a.m. Oh boy. Let's go. Still dark out. Morning, sis. She's the warrior. Woke up at, what time did you wake up?
3:30.
8:30, what?
3:30.
3:30. And me and my brother-in-law, I just woke up, we're waiting.
You wanted to.
So she's preparing food here.
I did already.
First thing, water.
Yes. And the food with water.
I'm gonna put on a new shirt, different shirt, because I feel like it will give me another reason to stay awake or be awake. Oh, by the way, I'm in Texas, Dallas, Fort Worth, Texas, near Dallas. I visited my sister, as you saw, and yeah. So 3 of us decided to wake up at least fast the first day. What did you make?
Pogacha.
What is this?
Pogacha.
In English is what? Albanian?
Pogacha. Look at
It's
it
so
in English.
different as corn. It's like
It's
thinner.
it's gluten free and corn flour.
Corn? Mm-hmm. Corn flour?
Yeah.
Okay.
Cheese. White cheese.
It has white cheese in it?
Yes.
Oh. Can I try it now?
You can try it. This is pasol.
It's Albanian beef and beans stew.
Beef and beans.
Yeah. Some salads over here. I have my bottle right there. I'm drinking.
Ніхто не говорить, айде да се да. Има разнијаци кои ела, тиска тоа што ми. Што мене clear, everything else is clear. That's it.
Let's see what happens in a few hours. What dia? Je сделал it tonight.
Это я tonight.
Vjerujem si pas kušteve.
Ja, pozdrav.
Kur ekip të dash sanet.
En het zijn maar zorgen naar de mini's.
Ota ti në albin.
Aspetta, ma è fatto io le raccogliere. C'è come bomber. Stiti, ma scu i commissari. Quanto è fatto? Non è vero.
Okay, I'm forcing myself to eat. This is my second plate. And some salad as well. Oh boy, I don't ever remember I've eaten so early. This tastes really good. Sometimes I even dip it in the coffee. Cheers, sis. She's having coffee as well. Okay, officially it's 5:20 and no more drinking, no more eating until 8:13 p.m. today. That is 12, 13, 14, like 15 hours. I'm so full right now. Okay, I'll try to update you every hour, every 2 hours and stuff like that. One hour. I have not eaten nor drank since an hour ago. My mouth feels like I should drink some water, but yet still my stomach is bloated full, very. So that is okay. 6:20 a.m. Don't drink. My sisters put notes. Don't eat. No food. This is, oh God. It's 7:21. I finished writing some things but I'm thinking of water. Like my throat. I want just a little bit of water, just rinse my mouth. It's nice and bright outside now. Kind of a little bit sleepy. Still full. I'm not hungry at all. Okay. I'll talk to you in 1 hour. Oh, you smelly, you poopy, you pooped? No. Did you poop? You did poop!
No.
You did poop?
She just did pee-pee.
Can you, I need light. Wakey, wakey. Wakey, wakey, baby. You wakey, wakey, Priyama? Wakey, wakey?
I'm sorry. I didn't know.
Wait.
Hey, you're funny.
Mom!
You're funny.
These two
Priyama funny?
stay.
Where's the beard? Where's your beard? Say good morning, beard.
I told you.
Beard, beard. Good morning, beard. Wakey, wakey. Say wakey, wakey. Wakey, wakey. I love you so much. Put some light on. I need light in here. Oh, no, mommy, no. We want to sleep. Okay, it's 8:17 a.m. That means 11 hours and 54 minutes, I think, something like that. I have to survive without drinking it and eating. No eating, no drinking. Almost 9:20. That's almost 4 hours ago. And yeah, so I'm about to go to sleep now and see what happens. 10:10 a.m. That's 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Like almost 5 hours that I stopped eating and drinking. And I caught myself twice making my way to the fridge, like, because my throat is parched. And I'm like thirsty. I think I made the mistake when I had that hot coffee right before the end. Shouldn't have done any coffee. Just drink water instead. Water is the key. Water. So now I'm about to sleep for as much as I can, like an hour or two would be good. All right. Good night. It's 11:30 a.m. and I don't know if I slept much, but I was dreaming a lot. Have you been drinking or eating?
Nothing.
Nothing?
Look at me.
You sure?
I'm shrinking.
I'm still shrinking. You watching comedy videos?
Yeah.
Oh boy, what time is it? 12:40 something? I couldn't sleep much. Huh? Yeah, so it's like 12:30. 8, less than 8, 7 hours and 7 hours and a half, something like that. 7 hours and 40 minutes. My sister, what were you about to ask me?
If you want coffee, let's see the notes. Don't drink, don't eat, no food.
You see the notes, it's like, no, don't drink, don't eat, no food. And then she goes, oh,
Resist.
we have, so it's 10 to 1 plus 7, that is 8 plus 13, that's 7 hours and 12 minutes. This is 12:51.
Yeah.
I'm just, my sleep is messed up. It's 2:25 p.m. My sister's watching some comedic videos and I'm watching soccer. Oh boy. I feel sleepy. I'm a little hungry. Like the moment I feel hunger and thirsty, I want to get up and feed myself. Interesting, behavior we have. Like the need. Okay, now I'm thirsty. I know what to do. I'm hungry. I know what to do. But what if I didn't have any of that? It's 3:38 p.m. and my sister and I were talking about
Nice coffee.
frappuccinos.
I'm so thirsty.
You are? I'm not that thirsty. I'm not hungry, but my head hurts because I guess my sleep is.
I'm thirsty.
I'm becoming sleep
hungry.
deprived. What?
No, my head doesn't hurt. I'm just thinking about
Food and drinks? Water.
like a torture for me.
Yep, I'm recording with an iPhone XS. Came to the European Middle Eastern market. Some of this stuff I'm getting. Some candy that I really love. Of course, I'm getting lots of dates and some stuff. Oh my god, Milka chocolate. They have my favorite chocolate, Milka. Milka chocolate. It's 5:23, less than 3 hours. Seeing my nieces eat honeydew or cantaloupe over here. However, I'm okay, but still sleepy. Sleep deprived. Okay. I'm all thirsty. I'm not gonna lie about that. I think this camera is not straight, so yeah. But I am, because I have a headache because I didn't have a good night's sleep. However, sleep and, food and water, I can still keep going. It's probably two and a half hours left. I try to sleep a little bit, maybe would be better. Just woke up from a nap and see my eyes are a little red. I'm okay. I'm a little bit thirsty and hungry, but mostly because of my sleep, the headache, but I'm better now. Another 40 minutes until we can eat and drink and all. It's quite interesting, honestly, but thinking of the people who actually fast for a month or longer, and this makes you think of people who do not have, and they eat once a day or once in 2 days. It's very sad. you become, you know, very humble in a way that you appreciate, and you are grateful of all the things that you have, you know. And you let go. When you fast, you actually let go of the habits of, okay, I'm thirsty now, let me get some water or some soda, whatever. I'm hungry now, what, can I get a snack? Or should I order for my, you know, lunch or dinner? But when you're fasting, you just gotta let go of all of those. It's 7:50. 23 minutes left. These last minutes are and my sister made so much food. I love her. She's crazy, but I love her. Let's see what she made. She's a fruit salad with dessert. This is a cucumber with nuts and cheese and what goodies and onions. Albanian spinach pie. We have to start with dates. Yes, you want that one. She wants to eat the dates as well. And then she has 2 more things over there, which we'll find out in a second. I love you. You know that, right? Yeah. Good job.
God bless us.
God bless us. Listen, you cooked sifur or salah, how they say it, in the morning breakfast, and then now the evening dinner. Okay, so now, sis, what is this? Avocado?
Yes.
Is it chicken? Is that chicken?
Chicken, yeah.
Chicken and on a what? On a cone of what?
Brown with veggies.
Brown organic rice with what?
With veggies.
This is rice?
Mm-hmm.
Wow. See, that's rice with veggies, chicken, avocado. That's, what do you call this, sister?
Okay, look at some cornbread.
Cornbread.
With spinach and cheese.
Oh, man. Oh. Oh,
my God. Ja, wasza Zoe. Super bom. Essa peru is silence on me. Absolutely.
Go. Just go sit.
Sis, good job, sis.
Yeah, Dodo.
High five.
We made it.
We made it.
You can take as much as you can.
Oh, man. It's doable, it's possible, and you should try it.
You want to eat that one?
Do this one.
You want this one?
Good job, Dylan. 3 of us. I think my sister and I is our first
Good job
time.
for you. Good job for you.
But now I want to eat. Look at that good stuff.